In this lesson, we will learn how to create shade effects on text objects. First, select the Text Object tool. Draw a rectangle on the project page and enter some text. Adjust the text size to 100, font to bold, and font color to red. Now select the text by clicking on it, and then use shortcut B to view the properties. Then select the Effects tab. Select Drop Shade and adjust vertical and horizontal offsets as needed. The Drop Shade feature is available on all AVSnap objects, and you can use it to enhance the appearance of text and rectangles.